You can develop economics expertise in 3 easy steps in a week, maybe 2. Seriously, let me show you how. My fellow Americans, most people don't know squat about economics. Maybe you're one of them. If you don't understand the basics, you can be lied to and manipulated and conned and fooled without even realizing it. Economic ignorance can cost you a lot of money over your lifetime. But if you decide you want to learn economics and just pick up an economics book at random, you're likely to find the subject dull and difficult. You'll be presented with confusing phrases and terminology. It's enough to make you just abandon the effort. How can you really understand the subject with minimal effort? It's easy. With President Bob's 3-step program, you can understand economics in a week or 2. I've also added 2 bonus steps. One is an easy and enjoyable way to continue your economic education if you choose to, and the last one is a cheat, a way to be 100% right on any economic question with virtually no effort or thought. Step 1, read iPencil. Now, there are some good videos of it out there, but I really suggest you read it. Run your eyeballs across the words. It'll take you maybe 15 minutes. So read it, digest it, wait a day or 2, and then read it again. Congratulations! Now you understand supply chains, how free markets work, and why central planning is completely unnecessary. You now know more about economics than 85% of your friends. Step 2 is the only step that requires reading a book. Economics in One Lesson is written in plain English and explains ideas in clear, simple language. It won't take long to read. It's easy to find. There's even free copies of it available online. Again, check the links. Congratulations again! Now you understand opportunity costs and are more economically literate than 90% of the people walking down the street. Step 2.5. Take a moment to like, subscribe, hit the bell, you know the routine. Comments are especially appreciated. Step 3. Watch 2 old Phil Donahue shows featuring Milton Friedman. Again, the links are below. The videos are a little fuzzy in spots, but the conversation is amazing. And I'm not going to give you any more description because I don't want to spoil the fun and surprise. Just watch them. And that's it. If you learn nothing more about economics, you now know, and more importantly, understand more on the subject than 95% of your friends. But if you'd like to continue to learn, here's bonus tip number 1. Search for Thomas Sowell on YouTube and watch whatever videos come up. Sowell has a real gift for explaining complex subjects in ways that make them seem not only easy, but in retrospect, obvious. He uses real data to destroy bullshit, all the while being a perfect gentleman. Every time you watch him, you'll get a little bit smarter. You can also mix in some Walter Williams and Larry Elder to continue your education. But what if you don't want to do none of that there learning stuff and just fool people into thinking you're smart? Here's the last bonus tip, a way to be 100% right on any economic question. Simply look up what Robert Reich has to say on the subject, take the opposite side, and you will always be right. No one, not even Krugman, is as perfectly wrong as Reich. If you asked him his favorite color, he'd get it wrong.
Blue. No.
I'm watching what's going on in your timeline, and it looks like your child-sniffing stumblebum of a president is intent on destroying your economy. Now that you've smartenized yourself with some solid economic knowledge, you'll be able to articulate why every one of his policies is stupid and will lead to some kind of disaster. I don't know what you can do about it. You could use your own President Bob. But sorry, I'm stuck in my own timeline. But hey, when you're hungry and shivering in the dark, At least you'll know how you got there and who did it to you.